Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. All of you who are in the class, you have to keep your cameras on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
And there is a test.
Yes?
And there is a test.
I can't understand. What are you saying?
And you said that the cameras will be on and there is a test.
What is Praveer saying? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, she is saying whose cameras are on, they give the test.
Test? Which test? Which test you want to give? Stuti Khandelwal wants to enter fourth week. Children, just wait. Let me just check something. Children, just check. Can you unmute yourself?
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh. Can you unmute yourself, children? No? Fine. Just wait, there are students joining in. That is why I'm taking time. There are some wrong entries in the class. Somebody is trying to enter the class who doesn't belong to the class. All of you till then take out your social studies copies and your books. Today we are supposed to do the third exercise, that is exercise C. Isn't it? Yesterday we did exercise A and B. Whatever you want to write, children, you're going to write in the chat box. What we are doing, Aradhya, you got what we are doing? You were absent yesterday, beta? No, yes, you were absent yesterday. You were not there in the class. Yesterday we did exercise A and exercise B of chapter 5 in the copy, in the notebook. Today we are going to do exercise C in the copy. Thumbs up, show me a thumbs up if it's okay with all of you. Good. Only Manya's thumbs up is seen. Nobody else is showing me thumbs up. Shelly Gupta, good. Akshaj. Page number. Now better page number. What is the page number, children? Type in the chat box. Let me take out the PDF. Vedanshu wants to admit. Okay, Vedanshu.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for being late.
Okay. The PDF, let me just open the PDF. Now coming on to the next exercise of this chapter. Okay. All of you who were there yesterday have done A and B exercise in the copy. Beta, how many? Okay, Aradhya, just tell me you have done all 20 key points. Have you done 20 key points in the copy? Yes. Now for these two exercises, I think you need to leave just 1.5 page. That will be enough. 1.5 page. Now start exercise C. To do exercise C, you are going to write the answers yourself. Or you want me to share the screen with you? Do you want the screen to be shared? No, good. Do it yourself. The page number is 32, 33, 34, 35. Page number 35. Okay? To survive, all living things require air, water, and Ansh Patel. Wait, let me see. Land. Very good. Air, water, and land. Stuti Khandelwal. Stuti Khandelwal, beta, how come you are here in 4th A? This is class 4th A going on, beta. You should join the link shared in class 4th B. Has someone shared my link in class 4th B? Let me check. No, it's Maria ma'am's class. Beta, leave my class and go to Maria ma'am's class. Children, you want me to type these answers in the chat box? Shall I type this exercise in the chat box? No? Fine. Okay, do it. Done. Manya is saying done. You have done the C exercise. Completed. Okay, beta, you have to do it in your copy. All of you have to do this exercise in your copy. Praveer saying, beta, start your work. Ankush Gautam, start your work. Ankush Gautam wants to say something. Okay. Anybody who wants to say anything, raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Yes?
Ma'am, with page number
Page number 33.
33.
No, 35. Beta, 35. It's page number 35. Who is Galaxy A30? He wants to join the class. Is there any student of your class who joins by this name?
35, what we have to do?
Remove.
Ma'am,
Is there any student? Is there any student Siddharth Shukla in this class? Yes.
Ma'am, in page number 35, what we have to do?
Beta, you have to do exercise A, B, and C in your copies. Anyone who wants to speak something? Yes, Manya, beta. Say.
Ma'am, I am saying that we have to do our own D exercise and E exercise.
No, you only have to do C exercise on your own. D exercise I will make you do, and E exercise also I will make you do. Don't worry. Once you do your C exercise, raise your hand, let me know. Then we will start with exercise D. Ma'am, please Arshika ko le lijiye. Arshika, there is any Arshika in this class? Yes, who is saying Arshika ko le lijiye? Siddharth Shukla. Now, where is Siddharth Shukla? But I can't see Arshika in the waiting room. There is no Arshika beta. I made you also enter the class. Had she been there, she would have come. There was a student by name of Galaxy A30. This is not how you're supposed to enter any class. We teachers are not allowed to give you entries with your phone names. So that is why I removed her. Start doing your work, everybody. Yes, Ankush,
Ma'am.
beta, ask. Yes.
Ma'am, can I written only fill in the blanks, ma'am, because my mic is not open.
Your mic is not open. How do these two things
Ma'am, please
relate?
check WhatsApp I send message.
Ma'am, I have the, what? You have, where have you sent the
Send
message?
message.
Oh. Your message can't be heard, beta. Nothing is there. It's a blank message. And don't send message on class group like that. Whatever you want to ask it here in the Zoom class. Yes, good, you deleted. Who is this little boy, Manya? Your brother? Yes? Is your brother? Good, so cute. Like you. Okay, done. Vedanshu is saying, ma'am, I have done exercise C. Very good. Very nice. Aradhya is saying no. Manya is showing thumbs up. Good. Akshaj, what about you? Good.
Done.
Aman, what about you? Now you all can unmute yourself. I think that when I don't give you the authority to unmute yourself, you people feel so suffocated, isn't it? Yes? No, you don't feel suffocated. The moment I say now you can unmute yourself, everybody will unmute and speak something. So how suffocated you sit? You have so much to speak, and your teacher doesn't let you unmute yourself.
Ma'am, till then, can I write first question of answer in brief?
Yes, write it in the chat box. Now listen. Ankush, what was your query, beta? I could not understand. Tell me.
मैम ऐसा लग रहा था हमें किसी ने जेल के पीछे बंद कर दिया बोल नहीं पा रहे
Okay, who is Siddharth Shukla? Siddharth, beta, open your camera and speak. Open your camera.
Ma'am, I think Siddharth Shukla. Ma'am, someone is.
What is Siddharth?
Ma'am, I think Siddharth. Ma'am, someone named from Stuti Khandelwal. Then to that Siddharth Shukla. I don't know.
Is there any Siddharth Shukla in your class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, will you put your video on?
And ma'am, someone was saying Ashika ko le lijiye. He was Siddharth Shukla.
Someone was saying?
And ma'am, now Siddharth Shukla's mic is on, and I think that voice is of Araf Solanki. He's saying, ऐसा लग रहा है किसी ने हमें जेल के अंदर डाल दिया.
Ah, right. I could also hear this thing.
Yes, sir. I think, ma'am, I think it's Araf Solanki.
But Araf Solanki is not in 4th A. He's in 4th B.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but someone named Sutish Khandelwal was also there.
Yes, I don't know who is doing this nonsense. Siddharth Shukla,
Yes,
beta.
I think he knows someone's name to Siddharth Shukla. He knows them and
Okay,
then
Ansh Patel, beta, put your camera on.
himself. Yes,
Siddharth Shukla, beta, are you opening your camera? Show me your face, Siddharth Shukla.
मैं कंप्यूटर में काम करता हूँ इसलिए कंप्यूटर में वेबकैम नहीं है मेरा
Okay, so you should write this thing initially. There is no camera in my computer. Okay, let your teacher know. All right. Now everyone has done exercise C. Anybody? Anybody who doesn't know any answer, beta, tell me if anybody wants to know any answer of exercise C. No? Okay. Now coming on to the D exercise, answer the following in brief. What is the first question? Name the 4 domains of the earth. Vedanshu Prakash, type the answer in the chat box. send the answer to everyone. Rest of you, write it in your copies. Write down question number 1. Name 4 domains of the earth. Write it down, hurry up.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ankush. Write down question number 1 in your copies. Ankush, yes. Answer the following in brief. Now, beta, listen to me. The work that was done yesterday, I shared it on the class group. You have to complete all that work in your social studies copy. It is sent on the D group. Children, did I send it on the D group?
no, ma'am.
No. Okay, I'll send it right now. I'm going to send it right now.
Class teacher has not joined in.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I was also thoughting, ma'am, why is there so much less work and of SSC there is no work? I thought you were playing a game.
Okay, now see, beta.
Ma'am,
Everybody check your D
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
Everybody
Yes,
check
ma'am,
your
you
D
have
group.
sent
The
it.
work is there. Today I will add exercise C also in it and I will send it.
Ma'am, you will send.
Ma'am, written.
Written? Okay. Everybody will write answer 1 from the chat box. Write down the
Ma'am, I
question.
have done.
Very good. Write down the question from the book. Write down exercise D. Answer the following in brief. Then question number 1 from the book. Name the 4 domains of the earth. And then write the answer that Vedanshu has written in the chat box. We are not going to do much today. Okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, I am leaving because my network issue.
Okay, beta.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, my aunt has very bad them because he not take my permission and locked it. Ma'am, ये मेरी permission.
Ankush, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very nice. Let's wait for others to finish.
We have to
Ma'am.
write copy.
So,
What are you saying? Okay. Akshaj will type the next question and the answer in the chat box. Akshay, type the next question. What is an ecosystem? All of you till then, those who have done, write this answer in your copies. Sorry, write this question in your copies. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem
Right.
is a complex community of living and non-living things functioning as a what? Who remembers?
As a single unit.
Very nice. Very good.
Single unit.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, Vedanshu has written question.
No, beta, Akshar, see, Vedanshu has written the answer of question number 1. Now,
Ma'am,
Akshar,
Vedanshu has written what is atmosphere.
no, he has written, name the 4 domains of the earth. Ankush Gautam, beta, where are you? Huh? What are you looking at? Praveer, are you able to understand the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Taranveer, are you able to understand it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Aman, what about you? Aman is not replying.
Ma'am, I have written the question and the answer 2 times. And ma'am, it means the first one is correct or the second one?
Okay.
The both
In
are correct.
answer, you will write an ecosystem. An ecosystem is a complex community.
Ma'am, I have write an ecosystem.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, written answer 2.
Answer 2 also written. Very quick.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am,
Okay,
second
Aradhya.
question is so. Ma'am, third question is so simple.
So simple. So let us give it to Aradhya.
Yes.
Aradhya will
Yes, ma'am.
type. Okay, Aradhya, better type it nicely. Question 3, Q3 dot, and then type the question. Then answer 3 dot, and then type the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the third question? Read it out.
What does the word hydro mean?
Oh, so difficult. My God.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
The word hydro means water.
Ma'am, written question, answer 3. Ma'am, the third question is so difficult. No, ma'am, it is so simple. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I have written the third answer also.
Oh, you're so quick. the word hydro means water. Write it. Aman, Ankush, Praveer, Unsha.
I'm written on question 4.
Oh, written question 4 also.
Yes, ma'am. I am searching the answer for.
Okay, what is question 4? Now waiting room.
Name the
Ansh.
gas.
Name the gas found in the
Name the gas.
name the gas found in the
Found
atmosphere.
on the atmosphere.
Ma'am, it is
Okay,
also
name the
very,
gases. Name the gases. It is also very simple.
ma'am, very, very.
Yes, very, very.
Ma'am, I have written answer number 4. Ma'am, I have also.
Okay, so this is all. We are not going to do after question 4 and answer 4. Okay, Manya? Manya will type question number 4 in the chat box and answer also. Q4 dot and answer 4 dot. Like that, beta. It should be clear.
Ma'am, we have to write the names of gases number wise. Ma'am, like first oxygen, like that.
No, you can write it any ways, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 2.
Ma'am, can we write helium in the fourth answer?
Yes, you can write. Of course, you have to write helium also.
Ma'am, you written in question. And ma'am, nitrogen is found in the chip, in the packet of chips or in the packet of namkeen. Ma'am, written the answer of 4. To make it fresh.
Okay, Manya has typed. Manya has typed. No, she's still typing. Okay. Name the gases found in the atmosphere.
Ma'am, do you know nitrogen is also found in a packet of chips and namkeen?
Nitrogen gas.
No, ma'am, I am not sure that it is nitrogen or something.
No,
Ma'am,
I
but
don't know. Beta.
gas
I
is no, ma'am, but gas, some any gas is found in the chips of packet. I know that some here is all.
Okay, now see, I have
And
typed all the answers together. Can you see all the answers together? Now when Manya will type, her answer will come under my question.
yes, ma'am.
So today's work was exercise C and exercise D in the copies.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I will also complete the A and the B one in the book,
Yes.
in the copy. Ma'am, in chat box are not there fourth answer.
Manya, are you still typing the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I am Only the last line is left.
Okay. Name the gases found in the atmosphere. The gases found in the atmosphere are
Mom, we have to name the gases.
the gases found in the atmosphere is no. This is not the answer, beta. What have you done, Manya?
Mom, can I type?
Okay, I will type the answer. Everybody, the gases found in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, helium, argon, and carbon dioxide. Okay, everyone take a screenshot if you want. Oh, the spelling of argon, children, please check. Argon. Okay, it's not Con, it's Gon. Manya, bache, you did not know the gases found in the atmosphere?
Mom, I think I have to write that.
Yes, no. The name of gases were asked.
Yes, ma'am, and here is a pie chart from here you can see. Ma'am, I have seen it from here and then I did the answer.
Okay, yes. A pie diagram is also made. A pie chart is made.
Yes, ma'am, if you want to add argon in the name of the atmosphere, you can add it. It's optional. Ma'am, it's 12 p.m.
If you have done these question answers, you can leave and join your next class. Those who have not done, better keep doing it.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Mom, I have also sent it.
Very good. Very
Bye.
nice. Bye. Those who have done can join the next class.
Good afternoon,
Bye, beta. Have a good day.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, Manya, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Children, those whose answer is not complete, take a screenshot because the meeting will end in 1 minute. Take a screenshot of the answer.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I also
Okay.
done. Can I leave?
Yes, beta, leave. Ankush Gautam, show me your work. Send it on the class group. I want to see your work.